Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to verify credit card for Apple Pay without verification. Now let's talk about how you can verify it, then we will talk about how you can do this without verification. So here you can see here verify your identity and you want to do it without your identity. First of all, you have to just go and open your Apple wallet. Once you does this here, you have to make sure you just go and choose how to verify your card for Apple Card. And once you does this, it will ask you for the verification method. So here I have mentioned each and everything. So let's go here. And as you can see here that there are the three methods which I have mentioned it. And you can use a non-US ID. Some user have inquired about adding cards to Apple Pay using identification that is not from the US. While there are no definitive answer, it may be possible to use an American password or other form of IDs. The second method is typically Apple Pay requires verification through your bank, which can include receiving a verification code by email, text, or phone call. If you want to bypass this method, you may need to check if your balance allow adding cards without strict. Right now, the third is alternative verification. Some users have suggested that certain banks might allow you to add a card without immediate verification, but this often limits the feature available for the card with the Apple Pay. Right, so make sure you follow this. Any one of them will surely works for you. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.